Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. I am Madonna J. For today's video, we are going to be doing my simple shower routine just to get us ready for the day or night, whatever the case may be. In this case, it's getting me ready for my night. So we're going to go in and wash the body. I do let the water hit me. I just relax, let that hot water, just decompress me and I just relax a little bit. But we're going to go in with the Dove Deep Moisture Body Wash, and I'm going to put a whole bunch on my loofah. I'm going to be cleaning from my neck down to my toes with this. My back as well. I do use a back scrubber. I didn't show you guys that, but clean your back, ladies. Especially if you're a plus size woman. Don't forget to get all in the nooks and crannies, okay? We don't want nothing hiding in the rows, okay? Because these butter rows got to stay clean. So I'm just going to go in and wash my body with the Dove Deep Moisture. I don't use this on my vaginal area. Don't do that. I go in with the Honey Pot Cucumber and Aloe Foaming Wash, and I just use my hands. I make sure my hands are clean, and then I just use my hands and I clean my area. So, yeah. So for my shower, oh my God, I can't talk. Most of the time when I take a shower, I don't wash my hair. I wash my hair maybe 2 to 3 times a week. I do have scalp psoriasis, so I do have to wash it more frequently than I would like, but I have flare-ups most of the time. So I go in with the AsIAm Dry and Itchy shampoo. I love this. It helps me so much when I have a flare-up. I focus it only on my scalp. For the rest of my hair, I go in with the Tresemme Moisture Shampoo, and I wash my whole head from root to tip with this to give me a nice deep clean. For the body, we're going to go in with the Tree Hut Watermelon Sugar Scrub. This smells so good, you guys, and it leaves me so soft. I exfoliate before I go in and shave. I go from my feet to my legs, to my thighs, my arms, everywhere. I'm going to go in with this razor that I got from Target. It's just a generic 5-blade brand. And that is my shower routine. Once we get out, we got to moisturize the body. Okay, we got to get nice and fresh. But first, I got to give me some water. Am I the only one who be thirsty after I get out of the shower? I be so thirsty. I don't know why. I just be so thirsty. And yes, I am going in with baby oil. You see and you hear right. I will never stop using baby oil. I do have other oils, but I just love me baby oil. It's affordable and it does its job. It leaves you soft, silky, smooth, moisturized, and you smell good. So why not? It's like all in one. Do you see this glow? I use it everywhere. Every time I get out of the shower. It's my go-to. So, baby oil, yes. To further moisturize my skin, I'm going to go in with the cocoa butter body butter from Bath and Body Works. This smells so good. It really leaves your skin very moisturized, and it also gives you a healthy glow. Not to mention the scent lasts a very long time. I absolutely love all of the Bath and Body Works products, candles, and the body creams, body spray, all that good stuff. I'm also going to go in with another Bath and Body Works product. This is from the True Blue Spa Collection, the Mango Butter 24-hour moisturizer. Y'all, this smells like a tropical vacation dream, okay? It smells so good, and it's very moisturizing. I mainly focus this on my feet and my heels because it really moisturizes your skin like to a T. So I definitely do recommend this. I will link everything down below for you guys, but this is perfect. For my inner thighs, I do suffer from hyperpigmentation, so I'm going to go in with Palmer's Fade Milk to help reduce my hyperpigmentation due to the friction of these thick yams, okay? Because thick thighs saves lives, baby. Yes. So I'm going to go in with this. I just started incorporating this into my shower routine. So I will keep you guys updated to let you know how it works, if it does or whatever. Don't forget to go in with your deodorant. You want to stay fresh and clean. So I'm going in with the Dove Essential. I think it's the cucumber one. And then obviously with your shower routine, if you are going to bed or if you're waking up, you always want to brush your teeth twice a day. I'm going in with the Opalescence whitening toothpaste. I got this from my dentist. I do work at a dentist. I am in the dental field. If you don't know, now you know. So I'm going to go in with a soft bristled brush and a little bit of toothpaste and go in circular motions all around my brackets, around my wire. You know how to brush your teeth. So yeah, I'm just going to do that and, freshen this breath or whatever. You can also use Colgate, but this is just what I use. I get it from my office. So yeah, don't forget your tongue. That is where all of your bacteria is, everybody, okay? Stinky breath comes from the tongue because that's where all of your bacteria sticks. So make sure you're brushing that tongue, getting back there and getting all that, bacteria off your tongue. I'm going in with the what is this? Thera something mouthwash. I just started using this. I used to use Listerine. I like it or whatever. It does what it needs to do. Going in with the platypus orthodontic flossers. I know, weird name. I'm going to go in with those and floss your teeth. Make sure you are flossing. That is very important. That is the key to fresh breath as well. So I'm going in with these special ones for braces. They just slide up underneath my wire and go in between my teeth. For my face skincare routine, I do have a video that's a little bit more in depth, but I'll link that up in the cards for you guys so you can click on that video to see it more in depth as I explain every product and why I use it. But I'm going to go in with the CeraVe foaming face wash and wash my face. I use a paper towel to dry my face just because it doesn't hold any bacteria. And then I'm going to go in with the Palmer's products. This is the dark spot moisturizer, and then I'm going to go in with the oil to add moisture back to my face and give me some hydration. And that is pretty much it for my shower, skincare, routine, hygiene, all that good stuff. I'm going to get me some pajamas, get ready for bed in this case. Relax, decompress, drink my water, put on my favorite show. I don't know, I was probably watching Pretty Woman or Law & Order. That's most of the time what's on there. Maybe Tinkerbell. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope you find it informative. And until my next one, beautiful people, stay true, stay you, and stay positive. Bye.